In this video, we'll review what's included when you purchase a BRNKL Blue system. First, you'll receive the BRNKL Blue unit itself. Also included is an installation guide and a connections guide to help you with setup and wiring. The package includes the necessary power and wiring cables, including the 10-pin connector used for connecting analog and digital inputs. This connector is used to wire sensors and other onboard systems directly into the BRNKL. You will also receive a USB hub. The USB hub allows the BRNKL to connect to additional network interfaces. For example, it allows the system to connect to an internet connection such as Starlink. It can also be used to connect to a second Ethernet network, such as a Garmin or Raymarine Marine network. This enables the BRNKL Blue to connect to compatible cameras on those networks. The system also includes a GPS antenna that connects directly to the BRNKL. Finally, the package includes additional stickers, including your BRNKL serial number labels and a protected by BRNKL sticker for your vessel.